Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in. In today's video, we are going to talk about how to find your Instagram location ID so you can use it to embed your Instagram location. Now I have already selected the widget type and it says here that we have to put our location ID. So what is this and how can we find this? We can find this by clicking this button, and I'm also going to show you in this video. And we are going to use this location from the Grand Central Terminal, New York, and its location. So the location ID is this. You can copy this or you can copy the whole URL. And if you paste it here, it will always convert it into the location ID. Here it is. Now we're going to click next. Now this is our Instagram location. As you can see, our Instagram location ID worked. Now if you have encountered any problems, just click this button located at the bottom right corner of your screen, and this will open up the Sociable Kit chat support. Now that is all guys. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys like and subscribe and ring the notification down below so you are updated into our new video tutorials.